How to set live wallpaper on iPhone iOS 18. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a live wallpaper on your iPhone running iOS 18. Live wallpapers can bring your home screen and lock screen to life, so let's dive right in. First, unlock your iPhone and open the settings app. You can find it on your home screen as it looks like a gear icon. So in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on wallpaper. This is where you can manage your wallpapers for both your lock and home screens. Now tap on choose a new wallpaper and here you'll see options for dynamic, stills and live wallpapers. Tap on live to see the available live wallpapers. Now browse through the live wallpaper options and select the one you like. You can preview it by pressing and holding the image. Once you've chosen your favorite live wallpaper, tap on set at the top bottom right and you can choose to set it as your lock screen, home screen or both at the same time. Now go back to your home screen and lock your iPhone. Press and hold the lock screen and you see the live wallpaper in action. Make sure it animates when you press and hold. And that's how you set a live wallpaper on your iPhone with iOS 18. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.